Hi. A common question that I often get from viewers, from clients, from members on my member portal is, when am I going to figure this out? When am I finally going to get it? When am I going to finally have the law of attraction perfected or mastered? And it's a great question that deserves a really good response. So today, I'd like to share my perspective on this question with you. All right, now this question of when am I finally going to get the law of attraction right? It comes from a limited perspective that I'd love to just shift for you really quick if I can. And the perspective is this, that there's somehow some point of finality to all of this. Like if you can just do enough meditation and affirmations and smile enough that you're somehow going to get your law of attraction diploma and you're going to be done. All right? That's flawed because reality, the universe, everything is infinite. Meaning that as you go along, you can get better and better and better and better and better and better at the law of attraction consciously. You can get better at being positive. You can get happier and happier and happier and happier and happier. And there isn't a ceiling to that. You can always have more happiness. In fact, you can get everything that's on your list right now, all right, the things that you want with the law of attraction, you can get it all. And you're going to find that there's so much more that you're able to achieve above and beyond your wildest dreams. So please don't limit yourself into thinking that because you haven't got there to this fictitious place of totality, that you're screwing up. You're not screwing up. You're getting better and better and better, and it's going to keep getting better and better and better. Now, by contrast, things can always get better. Things can always get worse too. So maybe you've noticed this where, you're having a bad day and it just gets worse and worse and worse. Or, sometimes people ask, how bad can it get? Oh, it can get infinitely worse. All right. So no matter where you are, you have the capacity to go infinitely better or infinitely worse. The nice thing about it is it doesn't require you to think that much. All you have to ask yourself is, what makes me feel better, and follow that. That takes you higher and higher and higher. Or what makes me feel worse, and follow that, and watch things get worse and worse and worse. It's very, very simple. But please, get yourself to a place of understanding that no matter how much you learn, there's infinite more things for you to learn. No matter how many smiles you have, how much happiness you have, there's infinite happiness beyond what you can conceive right here and right now. All right, so if you've been wondering, when are you going to figure this out? You're going to continue to figure it out better and better, more and more, way past what you can conceive of right this minute.